this responsibility to the gardener. एक फैमिली ने क्या किया कि मेरा गार्डन है, मैं इस गार्डन की केयर खुद करूंगा। दूसरी फैमिली ने क्या किया, उसी गार्डन सेम गार्डन दूसरा गार्डन रखा और उसकी केयर उन्होंने गार्डनर माली रख दिया। ठीक है। Now what happened? The family who took the responsibility daily, they were spending time in the garden, going to the garden, watering the plants regularly according to the weather, whether it is summer, whether it is winter, whether it is rainy season, at what time the fertilizer is to be added, at what time the pests are coming there to attack the plants, pesticide is to be added, pesticide is to be sprayed. At what time? There are certain plants that need support. So family, what they did, they put the stick to support the plant so that the plant grows straightly. Right? The family was giving their heart and soul so that the garden bloom, so that the garden comes to a perfect place. The other family, माली आज नहीं आया तो रात को पानी दे दिया। माली को पता था मैं 2 दिन छुट्टी पे जाने वाला हूँ, माली 2 दिन का पानी इकट्ठे दे दिया। राइट? माली जब 3-4 दिन बाद आया, देखा कि पौधे पे बहुत सारे कीड़े लग रहे हैं, उसने टाइम से पेस्टिसाइड स्प्रे नहीं किया। राइट? सो द सेम वे क्या हुआ, थोड़े दिनों बाद द गार्डन दैट द पीपल वर लुकिंग बाय देमसेल्व्स, जो अपने आप देख रेख कर रहे थे, वो गार्डन ग्रीनर, ब्लूमर, प्लांट्स वर देयर, butterflies were coming, and what was there? Flowers were blooming at them. वहाँ पे गार्डन बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा था। बारिश आए, कुछ भी आए, हवा भी चले, लेकिन वो गार्डन तैयार था किस चीज़ के लिए? हर चीज़ को सहने के लिए। दूसरी जगह जो दूसरा गार्डन था, वो ज़रा सी बारिश बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाया था। क्यों? क्योंकि पानी ज़्यादा डला था, जड़ें सड़ गई थी। टाइम से किसी चीज को रेमेडी नहीं किया गया तो क्या हुआ, उसके जो प्लांट्स थे वीक हो गए, लीव्स वीक हो गए। तो व्हाट आई मीन टू से दैट द टाइम, द वाटर, द पेस्टिसाइड्स, द मैन्योर दैट यू आर गिविंग, व्हाट इज दैट? योर टाइम टू योर चिल्ड्रन, योर नरिशमेंट, योर प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन टू द चिल्ड्रन दैट यू गेव। You weeded out. आपने खरपतवार होता है ना? Are you weeded out the weeds time to time? What was that? That was the bad habits that inculcated in your children. The moment you saw the child that the bad habit is developing, when you are a close watcher, what will you do? You will immediately try to remedy that bad habit. Right? When you give the support to a plant, what does it mean? It means when the child needed you the most, you were there for the child. So, the most prior thing that you must give to your children is your time. Time is the major thing that you are going to give. And I told you right from the very beginning that parenting is not an easy job. It comes with lot of love, care, affection, and above all, lot of accountability. You cannot say the child is not mine if he does not grow well. If he is not growing well as a human being, you cannot say that this child is not mine. No, we are accountable for every action of our child, every single action of our child. And as a parent, it is duty and responsibility of both the parents to look after the child. Only only single parent cannot do it. Both the parents, along with their grandparents, they have their responsibility to bring out the child as you want it. So, you have to apply many permutations and combinations. Right? There is no fixed formula for parenting. Right? There is no fixed formula for any parenting. Okay, this is a plus b ka whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is parenting. No. Because every child is an individual having, or is an identical individual having their own identity, own entity. So there is no set formula, and most of you must have learned maths, permutations and combinations. Yes, you have to engage the child in the activities. Play with the child. Go for walks. Play board games. As far as possible, do not give mobiles to the children. Who introduced mobile to the children? You tell me. You yourselves, no? So we have given them the mobile. No one else has given them the mobile. So, क्या होता है? We have gone to a restaurant, right? You want to enjoy your food. What do? Please, what do? You give mobile to the child, right? Shri. Child is busy, you are busy. Shri. Who has introduced this theory? You yourself has introduced the theory so that you do not have to use your brains to engage the child. This is the shortcut. There is no development of the child. We feel really very happy. The child is able to operate the mobile. Oh, I don't know, but he knows. कहाँ से ये आता है? पता नहीं कहाँ से ले आया. You boast these things, so child says, अच्छा ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. शायद यही चीज है जो मुझे करनी है. और remember, a pair of eyes and ear are constantly watching you. What you do, how you do, how you sit, how you talk, how you react. So, if we wish our child to be honest, we have to be honest. कैसे? सिंपल सी बात है. बड़े बच्चे तो, छोटे बच्चे नहीं समझेंगे ऑनेस्टी क्या है. We tell them do not jump the red light, है ना? लेकिन most of us when we are in Delhi, we follow all the rules and regulations. But as soon as we enter Uttar Pradesh, Shri. Rules and regulations. If police is standing, then we have. Otherwise, no. But see, your child is watching you every time. All your actions. The way you speak at home, the way you get irritated on road, the child is with you. The child is always watching you, always watching you. So, and beware, the child is very observant, very observant. The child knows what will be the parents' reply, parents' attitude towards my actions. So, right from the very beginning, be honest in front of children, talk politely in front of children. कहते हैं ना, जैसा बोएंगे हम वैसा ही काटेंगे. हम किसी पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं दे सकते इस चीज की. इसकी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हम लोगों की है. We as teachers and you as parents holds a very responsibility. The next thing we come to is the discipline. Right? Try to set the major boundaries right from the very beginning. If the child goes and colors the wall, do not appreciate that. If the child says any abusive word, do not appreciate that. At that particular time, you will be very happy.